Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove locations that you saved on maps. So let's get right into it. Now, you have a couple of different things that you can do here. Now, if you're thinking about your timeline, and if you're thinking about your search history on maps, you can just click on the search bar and remove those searches like this by just pressing on the X. Same goes for the mobile version of Google Maps as well. However, you also have your own timeline. Now, if you go into your recents, you will be able to see your timeline there. I'm not sure if this is the timeline or just the search history, but if you want to see your timeline, you can do so by going to the menu and you'll see your timeline here. You can turn it on or off through your data. So if you go to your data in maps, you can very easily just go here. You can set your home and work addresses here, and you can also remove them if that's what you want to remove by saved locations. You can remove these saved locations very easily through this menu, but those are pretty much all the locations that you can. And you can also pause or turn off your timeline completely, and that will pretty much prevent your searches from appearing in your timeline, and that is pretty much all that you can do. You can also, if you have a business set up somewhere on Google Maps, you can remove that as well if you are indeed the business owner. And those are pretty much all of your options. There's really nothing else that you can do. If you're on your maps and you have a location such as this, you can just easily delete them by right-clicking and deleting them. But that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.